Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport D200 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in silicon silver. Let's start our journey from the front, where you will find your matrix LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading on the sides, you're going to find further black contrasting features as it sits with utmost pride on a set of 20-inch diamond turned alloys with a gloss mid-silver contrast. To the rear of this vehicle, you will notice your LED headlights, and you'll also notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes. Opening the powered tailgate, which can also be done via a single press of the key, will reveal a vast and versatile amount of boot space. To the left, you're going to find easy to access controls for your electronic air suspension and your deployable tow bar, as well as 2 further seats within the rear and their own cooling pack. Rear passengers are certainly going to enjoy their ebony Windsor leather seats with lunar grey stitch and their own climate control systems, which can be tailored to their own individual preferences. Glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way electric seats with driver memory, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Let's take a close look now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of features at your disposal. Lastly, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which engrosses this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport, which we have here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching.